Good morning everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Yesterday we talked about Christmas traditions, and today I'm going to cook a very traditional Portuguese dish that I promised my parents and do that I was going to do a lot of times, and I never did, so the time has arrived.
What's the name of the dish?
Polvo à lagareiro.
Polvo à lagareira.
Lagareiro.
Lagareiro. Okay.
Also, tomorrow we are going to go back to Lisbon, but first we're going to stop in Peniche on our way because Du doesn't know it yet.
So yeah, let's start with the cooking.
Let's go. So polvo à lagareiro has three essentials, which are garlic, olive oil, and the octopus, of course. And then we're going to need potatoes and Laurel and an onion. But that's just for cooking the octopus. So the first thing that we're going to do is put our oven preheated in 180 degrees. Of course, Du is going to help me. The next step is putting the octopus in the big pan.
Just like this?
Yes, just put it on the pan because we already cleaned it before. So
okay.
Now you don't have to do that. Okay. And now cover it with water.
Oh my god.
And we have it. We are going to cook the octopus for 45 minutes, but first...
Maria checking out the list.
But first... don't show my letter, it's awful. For the octopus to be cooked, we are going to put inside one onion with everything, a little bit of laurel, and a pinch of salt. We'll cover it and we cook it. The fire can be low, like medium low. So I'm going to put an alarm here. While the octopus is cooking, we are going to take care of the potatoes.
Vamos limpar as batatas agora mesmo.
Muito bem. Look, there's a cat outside.
Já está bem limpinho. I love when Portuguese people add the inho particle at the end of the words just to make it cuter or smaller.
Now you can put it on that plate to go to the oven. Yes. What is that?
Vamos fazer coração de batata.
Wow, that's so cute.
It's funny because in Spain we say mi corazón palpita como una patata frita.
I love the potatoes with a lot of olive oil, so I'm going to put olive oil already because like this they don't seem that dry to me. So, and of course a pinch of salt.
Are you destroying my heart?
No!
I think you did.
I'm sorry. It wasn't the idea. I just wanted to make sure that all of them had salt and olive oil.
Not cool, bro. Agora vamos pôr no forno 40 minutos.
Aquecido, 180. E agora esperar.
Tá bem. And this olive oil is so good. See? Rosmaninho. So cute and really good. It's not a paid promotion, but I just love it.
He discovered that he loves the Portuguese olive oil. The flavor is a little bit stronger than the olive oils in Spain. It's pretty good.
Not yet.
This needs more time. But the octopus, let's see how it's... a little bit more. 5 more minutes and it's ready. Ready to go to the oven. Not ready,
muita
ready.
fomezinha.
Eu também. Guess what? Our octopus is ready.
O povo está vermelhinho.
Está vermelhinho e pequenino. Não sei se vamos comer os 4 daqui. Opa.
Lobster hands. These are so funny.
Now we take the potatoes off. The olive oil is really important on this dish. I like it with lots of garlic, so I'll just smash it.
Yeah.
And now it's going back to the oven for 15 minutes, so I hope it will be ready and really good. Maybe more olive oil? No, I think it's okay. 15 minutes and I bet there are 1,000 different ways to do this because it's a really typical dish in Portugal. Tell us about your way and how you do it, your little tricks. I'm always open to learn more and to do it better. I would love to steal all of your tricks. Let's hope it's good and that it's enough for the 4 of us. Let's see. I was going to bring this to put the plate from the oven after, and I just saw that my mom put the nativity scene that I did in school in the table. How cute is that? So now we have the good one and the bad one. I was not expecting this.
Your mom is awesome.
And it's glued. It's glued.
Yeah, she fixed his arm or
Everything.
her arm. I don't know.
His arm.
His arm
I mean,
is Joseph.
she has a skirt. It's pretty obvious.
For me, they are just chocolate cookies.
Ta-da! Ta-da! It looks good.
Super good.
It looks good. I hope it's not too salty.
Smells delicious. Oh, que lindo. Chef, experimenta lá.
O pai diz que tá bom, mas eu sou filha.
O polvo estava muito bom. Tinha a textura que eu gosto muito. Assim, muito saboroso. Yeah, you did a pretty good job.
Woohoo! I hope you guys liked it. This is it for today. And I also hope that you learned how to do polvo lagareiro. It was really good. The family said so. I hope they were not just being nice. Right now, Du is not here because he's cutting his hair, as you can see. Tomorrow we're going back to Lisbon again, but first we're going to stop in Peniche. So that's what tomorrow's video is going to be about. Hope you guys liked it and see you tomorrow.